Hey guys, so today we're going to be printing a Easter print. My wife came up wanting to get like a Easter rabbit planter. The one she picked, she doesn't realize this is one I already printed before, but that's okay because we're doing it with a different filament. Back when I did it before, we did it with a wood PLA, if I remember right. If I can find the video, I'll put it up in the corner. If not, then oh well. But today we're going to use a multicolor filament. This one I picked up about a year ago. That's how bad I've been at being a YouTuber. But it's a TTTYT3D filament. I forgot that I'd picked this up, and so it's going to be kind of interesting to give this a shot. And what in the world is that? Looks like some sample filaments came with the package. Once again, this is from a year ago, so I'm not sure. What in the world? Oh, nozzle cleaners. Sweet. I can definitely use that. I picked this up on Amazon. If I can find the link to it, I'll I think it's probably my history. I'll put it up on the in the video description. Anyway, let's give this a try. This one is called True Shine Multicolor Filament. So we'll give that a shot today. I have the model slice. It's supposed to take about 19.5 hours to print. So I will get this all set up and I'll see you at the end of the time lapse. Well, that's a surprise. 17 hours and 16 minutes later. I was expecting it to be closer to 20 hours, and it turned out pretty good. Everything's cooled down. Let me go ahead and give it a quick pop here and get it off the build plate. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, bottom looks like glass. Colors looked really good. Now there was some stringing. I gotta do some settings in Cura because it looks like that line is in the same spot all the way around, so being kind of staggered, which I believe is what caused this. That's all going to come off. So I'll do a little bit of cleanup on that. That won't be bad at all. But yeah, this is the same model I've printed in the past, except the one in the past I believe had a base to it. But color-wise, I love the color scheme on this filament. And the fact that it came with tip cleaners makes it all the better, too. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.